Upbeat music playing. Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we dissect, scrutinize, and sometimes mock products so you can make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're pitting two robotic titans against each other, the Roborock Q Revo robot vacuum and the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus self-emptying robot vacuum and mop. Which one will clean up the competition? Let's find out. Transition sound effect. Alright, let's talk about the first thing that makes our wallets cry, the price. On the left, we have Roborock, coming in hot at a whopping $899. That's like buying a small island in the Caribbean. Okay, maybe not, but you get my point. On the right, we have the Roomba Combo, which is a bit more reasonable at $549. It's still pricey, but at least you won't have to sell your kidney. Next up, let's talk about how lazy we can be with these gadgets. Roborock has a multifunctional dock that practically does your laundry for you. It auto-washes the mop, hot air dries it, and can self-empty for up to 7 weeks. You could basically take a vacation and come back to a clean house. Reviewers love the convenience of this feature, especially for long-term maintenance. Roomba Combo, on the other hand, empties its bin for up to 60 days. That's 2 whole months of not thinking about vacuuming. Perfect for those of us who can't remember what we had for breakfast this morning. Reviewers appreciate this feature but mention it struggles a bit with setup and mapping. Now let's get to the nitty-gritty, literally. Roborock boasts a 5,500 pascals extreme suction power. It's like having a black hole on your floor, sucking up every piece of dust and debris. Plus, it has dual spinning mops that spin at 200 RPM. You could probably clean the floor and make a smoothie at the same time. Reviewers highlight its efficiency and ability to avoid pet waste. Roomba Combo isn't a slouch either. It has a 4-stage cleaning system and those dual multi-surface rubber brushes that adjust to different floor types. It's like the Swiss Army knife of robot vacuums. And it can switch from vacuuming to mopping with just a change of the bin. Talk about multitasking. Reviewers find it effective but note some issues on carpet and with navigation. Now, let's talk brains. Roborock has reactive tech obstacle avoidance, which sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie. It uses PreciSense LiDAR navigation to create precise maps of your home. You can even add virtual furniture. It's like playing The Sims, but your house actually gets clean. Reviewers love its customizable features like no-go zones. Roomba Combo, on the other hand, learns your home and creates an imprint smart map. It can focus on dirtier areas with its patented Dirt Detect technology. And guess what? It understands more voice commands than my teenage kid. Just pair it with Alexa, Siri, or Google Assistant and tell it to clean the kitchen while you binge watch your favorite show. Reviewers appreciate the voice command feature, but have mixed feelings on its mapping capabilities. Last but not least, versatility. Roborock can lift its mop 7 mm to avoid carpets, so you won't end up with soggy rugs. You also get 30 water flow levels to fine-tune your cleaning. It's like the Swiss Army knife of cleaning. Reviewers find it very versatile, especially for homes with mixed flooring. Roomba Combo can also switch between vacuuming and mopping. Plus, you can fill its tank with a compatible cleaning solution of your choice. It's like having a personal butler who actually listens to you. Reviewers enjoy this flexibility, but note it requires some maintenance to keep it running smoothly. Overall, both the Roborock Q Revo and the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus receive high praise from users. Roborock is lauded for its powerful cleaning capabilities, advanced features, and versatility, making it a favorite for those willing to invest in a premium product. On the other hand, Roomba Combo is appreciated for its affordability, intuitive controls, and convenience. though some users have noted issues with setup and navigation. Upbeat music playing, so there you have it, folks. Both of these robots are like tiny, efficient housekeepers with a few quirks. If you're willing to splurge and want all the bells and whistles, Roborock might be your new best friend. But if you're looking for solid performance at a slightly more reasonable price, Roomba Combo could be your go-to. Let us know in the comments which one you'd pick, or if you think both of them should just get a room and clean each other. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more hilarious and informative comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and buy smart. Outro music fades out end screen with subscribe button, and video suggestions product links are in the description.